Boo boo. They're brother and sister. Or brother and brother.
Salem's eyes are glowing. Oh my god.
Yeah, Salem's eyes. Look at them.
Salem's possessed.
Salem? Salem will mess him up. So funny.
No.
Hey.
She will not answer the phone.
Because she's over her friend's house.
I know, but she should be able to answer the freaking phone if they want. Oh, I'm gonna guess it's mine, so it's mine, okay?
Aww. Look how cute that is. Babies. Bucka. Bucky, get off the couch. Hey, Buck. Off. Off. Buck. No, no.